y'all. So we're getting ready. I'm gonna introduce you to Isabel and Vanessa, two faces that I am going to do today. So let's get started in this beautiful home. So stay tuned.
So bad. It's intense.
Are you a different person?
Yes.
Transformed you.
Yeah. It's a whole like different person. Wow, thanks.
Alrighty, so we are done for the day. I want to thank Vanessa and Isabel and Ivy Leadz one more time for allowing me to glam them up today.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Woo! So that's all for the video today. Hope y'all enjoyed it. That was a productive day for Glam Days by Zelina. All day makeup. That's basically what my day consists of. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. See y'all next time. Bye!